SVS Temple English Medium School, Bantwal. Om Shri Tirumala Venkatramana Swami Prasanna. Good morning and a warm welcome to one and all. Today we are here at the 32nd Annual Day celebration of our school. Our esteemed chief guest of the function, Sri Jivandas Narayan, Board of Director, Karnataka Bank Limited, Mangalore. Respected correspondent of the school, Sri B. Suresh V. Baliga. Respected trustees of the SVS Temple, Bantwal. Respected members of the managing committee of the school. Respected president and members of the Parent Teachers Association. Respected parents and guardians of our students. Dear guests, staff members, governing body and academic council members, well-wishers, benefactors and my dear students, warm greetings of the day to all of you. I am privileged to place before this August gathering the report of the academic year 2024-25. The school is spiritually guided by the blessings of Lord Sri Tirumala Venkatramana Swami and is making huge efforts to facilitate the students to develop their intellectual, emotional and social phenomenon. The annual school day is a culmination of all events of the school, wherein we recount God's blessings and express our gratitude, the Almighty, for leading us throughout the year. Management. This school is governed by the governing council consisting of elected trustees of the temple and by the managing committee comprising of members elected by the general body meeting of SVS Temple and teachers of the educational institution run by the trust. The members of the managing committee are Sri Ashok Shenai, the managing trustee, Sri B. Suresh V. Baliga, trustee and the correspondent of our SVS Temple School, Sri B. Bhami Nagendranath Shanai, trustee of SVS Temple, Dr. B. Suryanarayan Baliga, Hereditary Trustee, Sri B. Prashant Pai, Sri Lakshmi Narayan Malya, Sri Avinash Kamath, Trust Members, Sri B. Venkatramana Shanai, Sri B. Shivanand Baliga, Sri S. Subraya Nayak, Sri B. H. Girish Pai, Sri Bhami Lakshman Shanai, Sri Prakash Kini, Sri B. Vasant Malya, Sri C. Srinivas Pai, members of Managing Committee, Mrs. Roshni Tara D'Souza, HM SVS Temple English Medium School, Mrs. Sureka Nayak, HM SVS High School. Staff. Our school consists of 50 teaching and 14 non-teaching members. I sincerely thank all the members of our staff for their dedicated and selfless service to our institution. Condolence. We offer our most profound sympathies at the demise of our founder correspondent, B. Vittal Keshav Prabhu. We remembered his tireless efforts to promote our school's values and achievements, who served our institution with regard to the holistic development by sponsoring silver coins for the second top scorers of our institution since many years. We are also saddened by the demise of our former management committee members, Sri Sadashiv Prabhu and Sri C. Prabhakar Pai. We pray for reverential homage to them. Our school committee mourns at the loss of Prajwal and Adish, bright and enthusiastic students of our institution. The candles may go out, but the memory of its lights remains. May their souls rest in peace. Education. Education is a process to enable growth. It is through education that we empower the children to shape a better future for mankind by forming them into effective and responsible individuals. The school aims at the integral formation of its students, helping them to become men and women for others. Our education reaches to the marginalized, the socially and economically backward sections of the society. It's a common venture where the management and the staff work together to train these blooming buds. Students. We have on our rolls 1,389 students comprising of 725 boys and 664 girls who are the pride of our institution. Performance and results. I am proud to report that this school has secured excellent results with high percentage of marks in 10th standard in the previous academic year. I am also proud to state that our school secured 100% result in SSLC board annual examination conducted during the academic year 2023-24. Students have performed exceptionally well with 53 distinction and 42 first class. I am extremely happy to say that Abhiram V. Bhatt has made us proud by securing 6th place in the state level with a score of 620 out of 625. I congratulate him and all the students for their excellent performance. We bagged 9.95 quality percentage and grade A from SSLC examination board. Donors list. Several individuals and institutions have helped us by donating their contribution to the meritorious students and our institution. Every year, Srimati and Sri B. Nagendra Baliga and children, owner of VNR Gold Bantwal, have been sponsoring gold medals to 2 IS score students and 2 silver medals to 2 IS score students in SSLC, second IS score students in SSLC examination, and other 2 gold medals to the 2 best outgoing students in memory of their late father, Sri Vasudev Annappa Baliga, and in respect of their beloved mother, Srimati Ramani V. Baliga, under the aegis of Sri Vasudev Samskritika Pratisthana. Sri Lakshmi Narayan Malya donated rupees 5,000 towards proficiency prize. Dr. Vinish Kamath donated 10,000 for the best outgoing students of the year 2024-25. Sri Jayaraj Alva, D Creations, Mangalore donated 10,000. Bhami Lakshman Shinay donated 2,500 towards proficiency prizes. We offer our sincere thanks to the Rotary Club Bantwal, who has donated 3 sofas to our schools. We remain thankful to the donors for their contribution towards tuition fees of students. Sri Arjun Bandarkar, Stay Life Charitable Trust, 50,000. Bulantur Pai Family Endowment Fund in memory of late Bulantur Mukund Subraya Fai, 25,000. Sri B.R. Bhatt, ex-General Manager, Corporation Bank, has donated in memory of late Sri Panduranga Bhatt donated rupees 1 lakh endowment and rupees 8,500 for students who are studying in our institution. Mrs. Swati, Ms. Anushrita and Mr. Anirudh, 30,000. Ms. Archana Venur, 30,000. Master Sumit Kudwa, 18,750. Srimati Ashwini Pai, rupees 17,250. Sri Vijay Sahari, 17,250. Sri Gopal Krishna Baliga, 17,250. Sri Anil Baliga, 10,000. Odayal Vinisha D'Souza, 8,000. Sri Vinay Chandra, 3,000. Darshan Travels, 8,850. Parent Teachers Association. The first meeting of the PTA was held at the beginning of this academic year. Sri Satish Kumar was elected as a president of the association for this academic year. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of appreciation to the President and members of the PTA as well as the parents for their gesture and look forward for their perpetual assistance to this institution. Each class has parent representative at the committee. Students' Council. Student Council is actively functioning in our school. This council consists of SPL, ASPL, Cultural Secretary, Sports Secretary and Class Representative. Under the guidance of teachers and students, Council conducts various cultural activities, picnics, sports, games and education excursions, etc. I am thankful to the management for their encouragement and also congratulate everyone who stood by this council. School Club. In order to infuse leadership qualities among the students and to develop their creative abilities, Science Club, Sports Club and Fine Arts Club are established in our institution. Parliament. This year Parliament session was inaugurated by Sri Gangadhar Alva, Principal, SVS Temple, PU College. Sports and Games Report. High school boys and girls secured first place in cluster level throwball match and selected for Taluk level held at Panchadurga High School, Kakkepadavu. In throwball match, primary girls secured first place and boys secured second place and selected for Taluk level held at Government Primary School, Sajipamuda. Primary girls secured second place in Taluk level. In district level TT match, primary boys and girls and high school boys and girls secured first place. High school girls secured second place and selected for state level competition, which was held at Bidar. Taluk level chess competition held at St. John's School, Navur. Tanmay and Lipi of class 8 secured first place and selected for district level. In district level jump rope competition held at Puttur, Janish Mulia secured third place. Cluster level sports was held at SVS High School ground and our students were selected for Taluk level. Primary boys secured championship in cluster level. Other competitions. Taluk level science drama competition held at Balavikasa English Medium School, Mani. Our students secured first place and selected for district level held at Putturu and selected for zonal level held at Udupi. In zonal level science drama competition secured third place. Madam Chitrakala secured best script writer award in school drama competition. Sanjay Sharma and Pratiksha Pai secured first place in Taluk level science model competition which was held at Kamel High School, Madanka. Pratibha Karanji. Taluk level Pratibha Karanji held at Satyasai Loka Seva English Medium School, Alike. Pratiksha Pai secured second place in Ghazal. High school girls secured second place in folk dance competition. High school students secured first place in Kavali and selected for district level. Nishtita R. Ganiga secured first place in Rangoli, selected for district level. Shriya V. Bhatt, first place in Sanskrit elocution and selected for district level. In primary and higher primary section, Meghana Rao, first place in singing Drishya, second place in Sanskrit Kantapata. Kavani Shetty secured second place in drawing competition. Educational tours. This year, Class 10 students visited Thiruvananthapuram and Kanyakumari. Class 9 students visited Madikeri. 8 standard students visited Manasa Water Park and Science Center. Class 7 students visited Karkal Manipal. 6 standard students visited Yuva Meridian Water Park, Kundapur. Religious celebration. Every year we celebrate Lakshadiposava Puja and Lord Sri Tirumala Venkatramana Swami in our school. The society must understand the importance of education and must guide their children under the merciful blessings of the elders and the teachers. Any program which would undertake shall reach ultimately towards the destiny of God. Conclusion. We are grateful to God for the countless blessings He has showered upon our institution. I must say that we have an excellent and dedicated band of staff members, teaching, non-teaching, ready to sacrifice much of their energy and time for the welfare of the students. My sincere thanks to all of them. Nevertheless, school remains ever grateful to the management, staff, students, PTA, government media and donors and your undoubted and collective support to provide quality education to our students. We look forward for great things to happen in our school in the years ahead. We hope that our students will achieve greatness by excellency and commitment. On this special day, the school once again renews its commitment. Sri Jeevandas Narayan, Board of Director, Karnataka Bank Limited, Mangalore, Chief Guest on this eventful day. The SS Temple family acknowledges your immense and applauds your achievements and extends a cordial note of welcome to our institution. A smile is our milestone. Cheers. Once again, I thank each one of you for your gracious presence and wish you a pleasant morning. May God bless you all. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you.